Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two OLED TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type OLED. Panel type WOLED MAL and QD OLED. Screen size 65-inch USA, 55-65-inch Europe and 55-65-77-inch USA, Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz. Brightness 4000 nits and 2000 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 80 ppi. Color bit 10 bit. Response time 4.7 millisecond and 0.2 millisecond. Contrast ratio 6000:1. Video processor HCX Pro AI Make 2 and NQ4 AI Zen 2. HDMI variable refresh rate yes. Consumer electronic control yes. Auto low latency mode yes. Quick media switching no and yes. Anti-reflection coating yes. Ambient light sensor yes. High gig no and yes. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 plus adaptive, hybrid long gamma, Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10, HDR10 plus adaptive, hybrid long gamma. Next, connectivity. HDMI version, HDMI 2.1, HDMI ports 4, USB ports 3 into USB-A, Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax and Wi-Fi 5 802.11ac, Bluetooth 5.3 and 5.2, 3.5 mm audio jack yes. Next, features. TV platform Fire TV and Tizen. Version at launch 8.0. OS updates yes. AirPlay yes. HomeKit yes. Voice assistant Alexa and Bixby Alexa. Search browser Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Netflix, YouTube. Next, audio. Speakers 5.1.2 160 watt, 360 Sound Space Pro and 70 watt 4.2.2. HDMI ARC and ERC yes. Dolby Atmos yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Dolby AC3 AC4 yes. Stereo speakers yes. Subwoofer yes. Next, design. Dimensions 1227 into 765 into 69 mm and 1443.5 into 829.4 into 11 mm. Weight 30.5 kg and 29 kg. Wall mount 300 into 300 mm and 200 into 200 mm. Special features: OLED EX, multi-layer heatsink, Dolby Atmos sound system, swayable stand, subwoofer connection, true game mode, and anti-grilla coating on connect. Game bar 4.0 object tracking sound. Tuners attached 3.0 USA, DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.